Welcome to this comprehensive guide on learning TradingView Pine Script programming from scratch. Pine Script is a programming language used for creating custom indicators and strategies on the TradingView platform. To get started, you need to have a basic understanding of programming concepts such as variables, data types, and control structures. First, let's cover the basics of Pine Script. It is a simple and intuitive language that allows you to create custom indicators and strategies using a variety of functions and operators. The language is based on a simple syntax and is easy to learn, even for those with no prior programming experience. To start programming in Pine Script, you need to open the TradingView platform and navigate to the Pine editor. The Pine editor is a built-in code editor that allows you to write, test, and deploy your Pine Script code. In the Pine editor, you can create a new script by clicking on the New button and selecting the type of script you want to create, such as a strategy or indicator. Once you have created a new script, you can start writing your code. Pine Script uses a variety of functions and operators to perform calculations and manipulate data. For example, you can use the plot function to plot a line on a chart, or the if statement to make decisions based on certain conditions. One of the key concepts in Pine Script is the use of variables. Variables are used to store and manipulate data, and can be used to perform calculations and make decisions. For example, you can use a variable to store the current price of a security, and then use that variable to calculate a moving average. Another important concept in Pine Script is the use of loops. Loops are used to repeat a set of instructions over and over again, and can be used to perform tasks such as calculating a moving average or iterating over a set of data. For example, you can use a loop to calculate the moving average of a security over a certain period of time. In addition to variables and loops, Pine Script also uses a variety of built-in functions to perform tasks such as plotting lines and calculating indicators. For example, you can use the SMA function to calculate a simple moving average, or the RSI function to calculate the relative strength index. To learn Pine Script programming, it is essential to practice and experiment with different code examples. You can find many examples of Pine Script code on the TradingView website, and can also use the Pine editor to test and deploy your own code. It is also a good idea to join online communities and forums, where you can connect with other programmers and learn from their experiences. In conclusion, learning TradingView Pine Script programming from scratch requires a basic understanding of programming concepts and a willingness to practice and experiment. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can learn the basics of Pine Script and start creating your own custom indicators and strategies. Remember to always follow best practices such as commenting your code and using meaningful variable names, and to continuously learn and improve your skills.